Today let's make a toast recipe, that is cheesy baked egg toast. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. So here are the ingredients we need for this recipe. First we need to spread butter on each slice of the bread. Here we should apply butter only on one side. After applying butter, we need to place them in a baking tray. When placing these breads, put the butter side down. Then get a small spoon and flatten the top sides of the bread. Apply butter on top sides also. Now crack one egg into the center of each slice of the bread. Add salt and pepper as per your taste. If you want this toast a bit spicy, you can add more pepper. Now place the cheese slices around the egg. Finally, bake them around 10 to 12 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius. This is our cheesy baked egg toast. If you have kids at home, they will surely love this. Subscribe our channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to hit like for this video also.